my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone data entry in the healthcare field. But real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out on those daily job leads, make sure you subscribe to have those notifications turned on so that YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. And as always, the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Firstsource Solutions. Now, they have 3,000 or right under 3,000, 2,643 reviews of over 3,000 is what is being graded. And of those reviews, they do have a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data entry specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, they are looking for somebody to work with their eligibility and enrollment representatives, being responsible for handling the enrollment applications. You're going to process these enrollment applications and disenrollments, doing all the data entry associated with those application forms. You'll ensure that the forms are completed correctly, entering, updating, and reviewing the data and the records. It does state there are no incoming calls, so this is a non-phone position. However, if you're missing information and you can't get that through online sources, from time to time you may have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call to a member to get information clarified, but that is going to be rare. So that is basically it for this job. You're going to be taking the data of those application forms and entering it into the computer system. Now, good thing about this position, no kind of college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who is great with attention to detail, great time management skills, and has those basic computer skills. You know how to use those Word, Excel programs, things like that. Of course, the salary for this position is $15 an hour and comes with a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Or if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful to you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.